Crap, look at that. Icicles everywhere. They're melting at least. Oh man. You don't want one of those coming down on your head when you open the door. Just, God, I can't see. It's so bright. I seriously have to go get sunglasses. It's so freaking bright. Much better. So we got like 5 inches of snow. I think 5 inches. It definitely doesn't look like 3. But I'm home today. I'm not going to be driving out in this crap. And they finally just plowed our roads. Since we live out in the country, our roads don't really get plowed like the ones in town. Usually we're last. So yeah, I'm going to go check on the greenhouse and see how it's holding up now that it's covered in snow. So it's completely covered. Can't wait to see how warm it is on the inside though. I might have to hang out in here for a little bit. Definitely would probably be warmer in the greenhouse. Oh wow, it's a different feel when it's darker like this. It is warmer still. I had to bring out my straw to get it out of the garage because someone was complaining. And it was going everywhere, and now it's out here. See how warm it is in here. About 46 degrees. All right, so I am back inside. I'm gonna get some kind of workout in. It might possibly be my last strength training workout because I'm probably gonna do a 21-day fast. Um, so I need some clarity in some areas of my life, and God has put it on my heart to do a fast. And I asked what kind because there are different kinds, and the Daniel fast has been highlighted to me. So basically, for me, anyways, I would just be eating fruits and vegetables and abstaining from all the other foods, everything that I love, because I love to eat. And I'd be staying away from coffee, which I guess that's not like a big deal. But yeah, it's been a while since I've done a fast, but I definitely need some clarity. So anyway, um, it kind of stinks because I love to work out. I love strength training, and obviously, you need to eat protein. You need to eat a good amount if you're going to do that to build muscle and recover. So, but that's okay. My spirituality and my walk with God is more important, so I can make some sacrifices. I'm excited to embark on another journey, and maybe I'll document my fast. I don't know yet though, because I don't know how I'm gonna feel. I mean, the first 3 days are usually the hardest, and yeah, but I definitely am in need of a change. So I think I'll probably survive. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and crank the EDM, and I'm going to crush this workout. I don't feel nearly as cold now as I did before I worked out. So there's another benefit to exercising. Of course, my ducks are all calling me to come feed them. So I love ducks. Hungry? You want some feed or something? You hungry? You want some feed? Look at him. Hey! Oh my gosh, be careful. All right. Oh, they're so excited. Okay. Hey! Oh my gosh. You hungry? Would you like some feed? What do you need? You need some feed? Oh, look at how cute they are. Oh, got a lot of roosters over here. Hey, quackers. What's up? Oh my gosh. What? I know. I see you shivering. I know. Hopefully this crap melts soon. I don't think it will, though. It's supposed to be super cold. All right, let me get you some food. So I can't shut off the Energizer to the chicken fence. So I have to just go over it while it's electrified. So that's a little intimidating, considering the fact that I have some buckets of water that I need to bring over. But yeah. I'm gonna have to bring the Energizer back in again and charge it for another couple days. This is just like ongoing. I feel like it's every week now. But it's only for a couple months more, maybe. So it's, I guess it's not that bad. Of course, now I want to be outside. Now that my body temperature has been raised from working out, now I'm like really wanting to stay outside, and it's getting dark. But yeah, you just gotta enjoy what little bit of daylight there is. It's completely cloudy. There's been no sun at all today except for early this morning. But yeah, it's pretty peaceful actually. Aside from the chickens, the roosters attacking one another.